Okay, we're looking at what our answers are going to be for this frequency table. So you have it copied already. It should look similar to this, and these should be the answers that you have: the 6, the 5, and the 2. Those are your missing frequencies. If you don't have those numbers, I would suggest going back and looking at the original table and counting again. Maybe you made a mistake. Now, what I want you to do on your paper, or maybe you need a fresh sheet, is to make this. This is a blank histogram. Make sure it has a title and a title for the two axes, the y-axis and the x-axis. Make sure you have your 0 here and your 1 going up to 7. You have these horizontal lines. You don't need this blue box. And the other thing you're going to need is your intervals. If you remember down here, we should have intervals, which are those little ranges of numbers, and you're going to get them. You can steal them from this frequency table right here. These are going to be the 4 intervals that go at the bottom of this histogram. So add that. Once you have created your histogram, I want you to make the 4 bars that are going to be there. There's 4 intervals, there's going to be 4 bars, just like how we saw on the previous histograms. So for now, copy this, and then make your 4 bars, so you could hit pause, and then I'll reveal the answers when you hit unpause. Okay, so you hit unpause. Hopefully you have this created, and then you have your 4 bars over top of it, and let's see if your bars are correct. That is what your 4 bars should look like. They're touching each other. It helps to make alternating colors, but it's okay if you did not. And you have your 4 intervals down here. Bum, 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 bum. And they match these 4 intervals here. And as you can see, the height of the bars match these frequencies. So now that you have this histogram created, you can answer this question. What is the number of people at the health club who are 30 or older? So go back, look at your histogram. You hit pause, and I'll give you the answer in a second. Okay, so hopefully you looked back at your histogram and discovered that your answer should be 7. I'm going to go back and look at the histogram and explain why. So we wanted to know how many people were 30 or older. So basically anybody in your 30s and anybody in your 40s. So we're adding these 2 bars together, which represent 5 and 2. There's 5 people in their 30s. There's 2 people in their 40s. 5 plus 2 is 7. So your answer should be 7. 7 people are 30 or older.